Hey guys, it's Gage. Welcome back to another video, and today I will be doing an unboxing. Again, like the last time I did the unboxing, I got the Five Nights at Freddy's The Silver Eyes. Today, we'll be opening this. And I actually have no idea what's in here. So, let's open it. What the? All kinds of random stuff in here. The charger? That's weird. What the? A Rubik's Cube? Oh, it's one of these Funko mystery mini bags. Ugh. Balloon Kid. Get out of here. Slap bracelet. This is weird. Ooh, this could be helpful. Does it work? Yes, it does work. Oh, what the heck? Oh. How does this even fit in this little box? Get out of here. That does not sound like a horn. A happy face? What am I going to do with that? Something else in here. A car. I don't want that. Anything else? Jurassic World Jeep. This is weird. What? A cat toy? This is not even, this is broken. Oh, I'll do that. And this box is empty. That was weird. So I got Balloon Kid. Dun, dun, dun. Just keep thinking of this. That is really random. Charger. And it's weird. You know what? I want to keep this Balloon Kid. He's kind of messed up in there. Bye-bye. A Rubik's Cube, Jurassic World Jeep. But this is my favorite part. Look at that face. Oh, does it just get really dark in here? Okay, no it didn't. That's good. Okay, I'll be right back. See ya. Hey guys, I'm back. And that was another trick video like I did last time when I took this box and I put all the guys in there. Balloon Kid's still in there. So yeah, I used the box from the Five Nights at Freddy's book. And if you saw anything you liked in that box, just leave a comment down below and I'll show it in a video. Like Jurassic World, Rubik's Cube, I could try to solve it. I don't think you guys are going to want to see what a charger does. It could charge anything. Alright, so that's all I really had to share today, and see you guys later.